Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for curve price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart, we have of course 3 waves toward the downside finishing a wave W and 3 waves toward the upside finishing your X, where we have of course a B and a C. After this 3 corrective waves, of course one down and one up, you would like to see an impulse toward the downside or another 3 corrective waves, meaning a zigzag to finish a W, X, and a Y. In this case, of course, we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave A, perfect impulse as a zigzag wave, and correction for your wave B, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, or probably here as kind of ending diagonal for your wave C, finishing this wave Y in a perfect zigzag. So W, X, and a Y, and you would like to see, of course, higher prices after it. And here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Probably we are currently in this wave 4 and looking for higher prices. We're moving impulsively, of course, to reach probably this wave 5 at 1 to 1, of course, taken from the wave 1 to the wave 3, and of course giving us this fib level at 1 to 1, which is the most common fib level for a wave 5. 2.78 is our target. Now, in this wave 4, did we bottomed or not yet? Now, supposingly that we are bottomed here, if you take a look at your wave 2, you will see that your wave 2 is a very, very long wave in time. And as we know, that your wave 4 should be at least the same time of your wave 2 or the double time of it. That means, of course, we might range even for longer here for your wave 4. After having a 3 waves down, 3 waves up, we want to see, of course, 5 waves down, of course, until we reach this wave C as A, B, and a C. Let's mark this, A, B, and a C. And of course, your wave C has to reach here, in this case scenario, a 1 to 1 fib level taken from the start of the A to the end, and based on this wave B as a regular flat 1.05 or 1 to 1 fib level, finishing this wave 4, which is at 0.57 or 0.56 cent for wave C and a wave 4. Your invalidation for this bullish scenario, of course, is this point exactly. So here you have invalidation of bullish scenario, right? Bullish scenario, which is at the price exactly the 0.36 or 0.37, let's say, cent. Of course, this will invalidate your bullish scenario, that because your wave 4 will interfere with your zone 1, which is not allowed. Now, if we take the time here as, of course, a reference for our wave 2, and we base it here on the wave 3, we can see that the time required for a wave 4 over a wave 2 has been reached the minimum requirement, which is the 0.618. However, much more preferably is to reach, of course, this 1 to 1 fib level and moving for higher prices again. Now, I would say that, of course, in that case, we might, of course, move with 3 waves down and probably continuation toward the upside in case only we get 5 waves up, 3 waves down, and continuation breaking, of course, is this move towards the upside and getting, of course, a 1.618 as a target for a wave 3. Then, of course, I would say we are very, very bullish toward the upside. Now, if you take a look inside this area on the 1 hour chart here, or let's go to the 4 hour, which is a little bit much better. So let's save this. Yeah, on the 4 hour chart, what we were expecting before. On the 4 hour chart, we already read this, of course, as an ABC, as a wave A, and we saw this as a wave B here, or potentially wave 1. Why it is wave 1? It cannot be wave 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 4 interfere here, so yeah, I cannot. Okay. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the downside, Yeah, so, or is it to, no. Okay, this is invalidated. I think that we were looking at that time, we were in this video, we were looking probably for an impulse toward the upside as a opposite scenario, but I don't think this is working here. We saw, of course, only the bearish scenario working, which is wave C toward the downside, still looking for it. yeah, that's good to see. Of course, if we had, of course, as always, a bullish and bearish scenario. So the bullish was invalidated, and we're moving into a bearish scenario. So probably 1, 2, and 3, 4, and a 5. Now it depends. Is this unfolding? Is it unfolding as an ending diagonal or as an impulse towards the downside? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, we already have an answer for this because it looks like your wave 1 is already smaller than your wave 3. Then definitely we are moving in an impulse toward the downside, meaning you are looking here for 1.618 taken from the 1 to the 2 here. Let's have wave 3. Here we go. So this is our target, of course, wave 4. Because your wave 3 here as 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 5, of course, should finish this wave 4 and this wave C exactly over there. Now, as you can see, that this, of course, fib level taken from the wave 2 and till the wave 3, you can see that, the targets, the target 1.618 is very, very close to the 0.618 for a wave 4. But remember, this is not an invalidation, but it tells us this is the last fib level for a wave 4, and it might be very, very close to invalidation, by the way. So here we go. This is your invalidation again in the 4-hour chart, all right, of bullish. So basically, we still need some, of course, that is a huge gap. It is very extended wave 3, and that's why it might deep, of course, have a deep wave 4 and then moving toward the upside. So basically, in confluence, we have something in confluence. Don't forget also the wave 3 can be 1.27 sometimes, and your wave 5 might finish exactly at 0.5 fib level, and then continuation toward the upside. So our scenarios are the following: moving a little bit lower and then moving for higher. This lower, of course, has to finish at 0, between the 1.618 and the 1.27 as fib level, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen at this time. So I would say, to recap, a little bit lower and then moving for higher, of course, for a wave 5, as we said in the beginning, our target also on the 4-hour chart, let's put it there. Our target for a wave 5 here over wave 1, here we go, 2.69, as we said in the beginning. That was it for CRV. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.